In this video, I'll show you the best snowboarding accessories. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, snowboarding accessories can enhance your overall experience on the mountain, providing comfort, safety, and conveniences. And the best accessories for snowboarding can vary based on your personal preference and the specific conditions to consider. All right, but we list some of it, and we go to the first one, which is helmet. Of course, safety should be our top priority, and a well-fitted helmet protects your head in case of falls or collisions. So look for a helmet with adjustable vents for temperature control. Right. Next on our list will be goggles. Alright, so it's crucial for visibility, especially in varying weather conditions. So choose goggles with anti-fog and UV protection features and lens interchangeability that can be useful for adapting to different light conditions because we never know, right? And next would be on our list will be gloves or mittens. So keep your hands warm and dry with waterproof and insulated. So look for options with wrist straps to prevent them from getting lost. Next on our list will be called base layers. So moisture wicking base layers help regulate body temperature and keep you dry. Consider both thermal tops and bottoms for full coverage. Next on our list be a snowboard socks. So you have to invest in moisture wicking padded and snug fitting snowboard socks to keep your feet warm and comfortable. Of course, a snowboard bag. A quality snowboard bag protects your board during transportation and storage. So look for one with padding and additional compartments for gear. Stomp pad. A stomp pad on your snowboard provides grip for one foot when riding the chairlift. It helps prevent people from slipping. Waxing kit. Regularly waxing your snowboard keeps it in good condition and improves performance. A waxing kit typically includes wax, an iron, and a scraper. Toolkit. Carry a compact toolkit with a screwdriver, wrench, and other essentials for on-the-go adjustments and repairs. Avalanche safety gear. If you venture into backcountry terrain, invest in an avalanche safety equipment, including a beacon, probe, and a shovel. Additionally, consider taking an avalanche safety course. Neck gaiter. So protect your face and neck from wind and cold temperatures with a versatile neck gaiter. Hand warmers. Disposable hand warmers can provide extra warmth on particularly cold days, so place them in your gloves or pockets. Alright? Remember guys that your specific needs and preferences might influence which accessories are best for you. So it's essential to choose accessories that match your riding style, the climate you're in, and the type of terrain you'll be exploring. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.